Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss a feature that allows the selection of multiple discounts from the applicable discount list during billing. To enable this option, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the POS Options 1 section, check the box labeled Allow selection of multiple discounts from the applicable discount list. After enabling the option, make sure to save the settings and restart the software for the changes to take effect. Once the option is enabled, open the Sale Bill touchscreen window and create a sale bill to test the functionality. While saving the voucher, a window will appear displaying all the available discount schemes for the items. You can apply multiple discounts from the list simply by checking the respective boxes.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.